Okay, this is the startup screen. The game is called Techno-Mechs. Obviously, we've got a few different options, but for now we're just going to start the game. And I'll give you enough time to kind of read the story that builds up. And that's where the game starts off. So you start the game off as this little ship. You can move all over the screen. And you can, of course, fire a weapon. I'm doing this all one-handed, so it's going to be a little difficult. And you can die. And the cool thing is, you hit a button, and you actually change your shape. So, obviously, there's various different weapons in this game. You can upgrade your weapons. You can always change back into a ship if you really want to here. Now, when your ship collides with another ship, it's instant death. And again, I'm doing this all one-handed, so it's very challenging. So yeah, I'm just kind of moving around, killing stuff. I've got several levels already created. Here's a new weapon. I just perfected this yesterday. The wave beam. It's cool. It tracks you, obviously, so it's really neat. So all those little items that you see on the screen after shooting another item would be the weapon's power-ups. There are currently 3. There's the wave beam that you see now. This over here. This is the spread beam. See, the spread beam is pretty powerful. And I think, oops, that's another spread beam there. And I'm pretty sure that means I'm dead. I have not yet programmed a continue screen or anything like that. I'll just show you here another level. So, and that happened because I have 0 lives, but that's okay. Just a quick little programming thing. But here you can see that, there are new bad guys on this screen shooting their weapons at you. Some of them have missiles, which these missiles have a particle effect on them that kind of create smoke and so on. Here's the boss of level 1, and you'll see his eye. Oops. I'm done. Anyway, in a little bit here, you're going to see the main character's eye start blinking, and that blinking will kind of lead towards a big magna beam that comes out of his eye here. You'll see it now. So obviously, if your ship gets in the way of that, it's instant death. This little guy down here, that's a tail. It can go up and down and over, and it's trying to stab your character as you're shooting this main boss. The eye, of course, being the target, for the bad guy. I've got level 2 started up here. It's kind of a snow world, as you can see. Again, my character died because I'm running out of lives there. So, yeah, we're in kind of a snow scene. I'm going to add a couple extra bad guys for each new level. Here's the second part of level 2. As you can see up here, there are these kind of stalactites that are going to fall, these icicles, they're going to fall. I haven't written the code to trigger them yet, so it's just going to be one more obstacle as your ship kind of floats around here in space. And then I do have the boss created here for level 2 as well. He's another Techno-Mech like the main character. Again, just ignore the fact that the main guy just keeps dying. That's only because... There you go. That's only because I'm out of lives, and every time I just quickly skip or advance to a new level, it spawns a new ship, even though my health is at, or I should say my lives are at 0, so it keeps killing me off. Obviously jumping around like this isn't something that you'll be able to do in-game, so that won't be a problem, that won't be a bug or anything. Level 3 is not created yet, or the boss. I am working on that now. I do have designs for it. Same thing with level 4 here. Nothing yet, but I do have some ideas. Level 5 is designed, and I made this be kind of a cool lava environment, you know, with the bubbling lava and hot stuff and the ships coming out and shooting at you and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I got going on just for the Techno-Mechs video game here right now. It is going to be 6 levels total. So far I've got levels 1 and 2 pretty well completed. Level 3 I've got to start on, level 4 I've got to start on, level 5, as you saw, is well underway, and I do not have a start on level 6 yet, but I figure about another month and a half and this game will be completely completed and ready for retail. So that's the Techno-Mechs video game.